Hello guys, welcome to Amber Health Beauty Tips. Today I am going to share with you how to make coffee soap by using all the home ingredients which is available in your kitchen itself. So the coffee soap will whiten and brighten your skin. This soap is fully made with natural ingredients. This soap will make your skin whiten and will give you fast fair skin results. So for that, first here I have taken Pear soap. As you all know guys, Pear soap is having 98% of glycerin. It is good and safe for all types of skin, and it is safe for especially for the sensitive skin also. Here I have taken 2 pear soap. First of all, I want to take it out and then I will cut it into small pieces, because then it will be very easy to melt. If you don't want to cut, you can grate this soap also into you can cut into small pieces, or else you can grate the soap also. So see guys, I have cut it. Before I used to do by using the double boiler system. No, not required. You can put, I had kept one separate vessel. In that I am transferring all this soap into that pan. So now I am going to keep this on the gas stove in a slow flame. So until it's melting, we'll make the mixture guys. So here I have taken oats, normal oats. Here this is not masala oat, this is a plain oats, 1 to 1.5 spoon, because here I am going to take 2 soaps. So oat can soak up the excess oil on your skin and treat for acne also. It is having antioxidant and anti-inflammatory property that will help and treat to dry skin. So my next ingredient here I am going to use is rice flour. It works for sign of aging, absorb excess oil, soothes the skin, repairs the skin and take care of the sun damage. So my third ingredient here I am going to take is honey. Try to use the organic honey guys. Basically honey will speed up skin cells healing process. It will blemishes your skin, and it is works as a natural moisturizer also. Honey is having natural humectant. So my next ingredient here I am going to use is glycerin. If you use just glycerin also, it will works for your skin. So it's having lot of benefits. It is reduces the sign of aging, prevents acne, it is having excellent moisturizer, and then it's create a protective layer to your skin, and it is good for the sensitive skin also. So my next ingredient here is coffee. Here I have taken Nescafe. If you want to take any other brand, you can take it. Coffee will fight with the radicals with antioxidants. It enhances the health, it reduces the saggy skin, it calms and soothes the skin, and also it reduces inflammation, and then treats for acne, exfoliates the skin. So here I have taken 1 to 1.5 spoon of coffee. So now mix all these ingredients well. Mixing is the very important part of home remedies. If honey and glycerin is less, you can add little drops of water and make a fine paste. You can see guys, I have mixed all these ingredients well. Now see guys, here my soap has melted well. So now I am going to add that mixture in it. Try to use the wooden spatula, don't use any other material, because it will harm your skin. So here you have not to add all together, little by little you have to mix. And then if you are not having like the silicone mold, you can use any of the disposables. Just you need to apply the Vaseline on it, and then you can pour this mixture. Homemade soaps are really awesome guys. I am keep on using the homemade soaps. It works. That's why you can see many of my homemade soaps videos I had made, because it works. Now I am going to transfer this into my molds. Then you have to keep it for half an hour to 1 hour in the refrigerator, and then our soaps will be ready. This soaps is going to work awesome. Each and every time I am making the homemade soaps, that all is fine. Homemade soaps will give you good result guys, without any side effects. But the thing it is, for home remedies or homemade soaps, you have to keep on using regularly. If you leave that one, then you will not get the benefit, but without side effects it will work. After keeping in the refrigerator for 1 hour, my soaps are ready. Now I am going to unmold my soaps from the mold. See guys how beautifully it looks. my coffee soaps are ready. I hope this video is very useful for you. Kindly subscribe my channel, like and share among your friends and family members. Thank you for watching. Meet you in next video. Thank you guys. Don't forget to hit the like button. Bye bye.